Hello everyone, I am Anthony Edusi Puku and I am going to explain the concept of density and how it differs in solids, liquids and gases. Density simply means how much mass is packed into a certain amount of space. In other words, it tells us how tightly matter is packed together. Let's start with solids. In solids, the particles are very close together and are arranged in a fixed pattern, so they cannot move around freely and they mainly vibrate in place. Because the particles are packed so tightly, a lot of mass fits into a small space, which means solids have high density. Now let's look at liquids. In liquids, the particles are also close, but they are not fixed in place, so they can move around and slide past each other, which is why liquids can flow and take up the shape of their container. But the particles in liquids are slightly further apart than in solids, and because of this, liquids have medium density. Finally, gases. In gases, the particles are very far apart and they can quickly move in all directions because they have a lot of space, a lot of empty space in between them. And because of this, very little mass can be found in the same volume, making gases have very low density. So to summarize, solids have high density because the particles are very close together and arranged in a fixed pattern. Liquids have medium density because the particles are slightly further apart than in solids, and gases have very low density because the particles are very far apart.